Next stop, Mason Port. Passengers with valid permits, please be ready for inspection.
迷新呢個地方，我從來冇聽過。
佢新宇城㗎。
好似又返咗去嗰間店。
唔好再冇後面，前面先係真實。
連避風嘅地方都開始關埋大門，連自動行駛嘅車都停咗喺雨夜中，連警局都變成無力嘅回音。
I know you're frustrated, but so are we. There's no power anywhere. How do you expect us to go out and fix your blackout if we're in the dark too?
Shit. Whole block is dark.
Hot noodle skewers all warm. Step up.
One bowl extra chili, please.
You got Edison. I'm living in 2295. Can you save us?
Tesla was the real hero.
Ha!
For real.
If the power's out, what am I supposed to do? What about all the people who installed these implants?
Welcome to New Rain City, where innovation lights every horizon. Clean arc energy powers our streets, and quantum networks connect every dream.
Old Rain City, totally dark tonight, like a cave. Can you imagine living there?
佢唔記得，會過去，但係我哋唔會。